In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off chat heads in Messenger. Chat heads are those little bubbles that pop up on your screen when you receive a message in Messenger. Although some people find them helpful, others may find them distracting or annoying. To get started, open up the Facebook Messenger app on your Android device, and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down, and you'll see the chat heads option. To turn off chat heads in Messenger, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.